Hi, my name is Sami Joseph, and I'm excited to walk you through the reports tool within Sprout's influencer marketing platform in today's Sprout Bites video. If you're looking to build smarter, more strategic influencer campaigns using historical data, the reports tool is the perfect place to start. Reports allows you to analyze trends over time, uncover competitive insights, and understand benchmarks tailored to your industry or cohort that can inform future campaign decisions. Within reports, you can answer questions like, how does my influencer strategy compare to my competitors? What does good performance look like for my brand or category? And which creator sizes, platforms, or content types are driving the most success for me as well as my competitors within my cohort? We offer several pre-built report templates designed around common use cases, such as competitive analysis, single topic reports, and many others. You can also have the flexibility to create a fully custom report if you want to explore something more specific. For this example, I'll select the competitive analysis report. This allows me to compare my brand's influencer strategy directly against my competitors. Simply enter your brand, your competitors, and we'll spin the rest up for you. After generating the report, you can come into settings and change a few parameters to further customize your query. In this instance, I'll set the date range a little further back, as well as filter so I only will see sponsored content. From here, I can quickly see insights like which platforms our industry is prioritizing, where each brand is seeing the strongest performance when it comes to platforms, what creator sizes are most commonly used, and which ones are performing the best, as well as each competitor's aesthetic when it comes to their content. I can sort these posts by whatever I want. In this case, I'm sorting it by engagement rate. Once the report is created, it's completely customizable. I can refine it by adjusting filters at the report level, at the tab level, and even down at the component level. I can also add, edit, or remove components to make sure that this report highlights the metrics and qualitative data that matters most to my brand. It's important to note that reports and campaigns serve different purposes. Reports are best for analysis, benchmarking, and strategy planning using historical data, whereas campaigns are where you can activate that strategy, tracking live performance and execution, taking creators through the entire campaign workflow from messaging all the way down to reporting. If your goal is to research creators and you feel confident about where to start, then use the reports to validate your strategy. I encourage you to explore the reports tool by starting with a template that best matches your use case. In just a few clicks, you can unlock powerful insights that help elevate your influencer strategy and drive more informed decisions.